Welcome to another video from Heilen Biofarm, where we introduce you to natural products for skin care, hair care and personal care.
We are looking at the product which benefits us through providing growth to our hair,
serves as a natural cleanser,
imparts shine on hair,
fights against dandruff,
strengthens hair.
It also conditions our hair up to a great extent.
Last but not least, if you are suffering from split end problem of your hair, yes, you are looking at right thing.
Reetha, also known as Shikakai, is one of the most popular herb in Ayurveda.
It is being used in Indian culture as a natural soap and shampoo for skin care and hair care purposes.
There is no record of any side effects from use of Reetha for personal care.
It is easy to use.
it is effective.
It is free from artificial harmful chemicals. It is good for environment as well.
Use of Reetha powder is very easy and quick.
First, take Reetha powder in bowl. Add equal amount of water to make paste of it.
Apply this paste directly on hair and scalp.
Massage the scalp for a few minutes.
Rinse hair after 15 to 20 minutes with clean water.
Repeat these steps 2 to 3 times a week to get best results.
To get even better results, add Amla Powder and Shikakai Powder to Reetha Powder.
Please try Reetha by yourself and check the results.
Show your excellent hair to your friends and family and share your secret with them.
Do let us know your experience with Reetha powder in comments section.
For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.